The Armed Forces of the Philippines might face contempt and obstruction of justice charges for not surrendering Lieutenant Colonel Ferdinand Marcelino to an issuing court. Lea Ylagan will tell us why.
AIDG Legal and Investigation Division Chief Police Superintendent Enrico Rigor says the court has a choice to file obstruction of justice or contempt charges against the AFP for not surrendering a wanted man. The rule applies especially after the 10 days set by the law.
It's the discretion of the court kasi under the law may 10 days para i-serve ang warrant, diba? And another 10 days to return the warrant.
Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP has yet to present Lieutenant Colonel Ferdinand Marcelino to an issuing court. This despite the fact that he is being held by the Provost Marshal since the other day. Rigor adds that it's not yet definite in the court will approve the request of the AFP to get the custody of Marcelino as it has yet to return a warrant to the issuing court and present Marcelino. This is why the court orders his detention at the Manila City Jail and not at the AFP Custodial Center like what the AFP is doing now.
Before any motion is heard by the court, first and foremost, the court must acquire jurisdiction over the person of the accused. Sa ngayon, pag hindi pa siya sumusurrender dun sa o hindi pa siya naisusurrender sa court of origin, okay, any motion hindi pwede i-entertain ng court. It will just be dismissed. Kasi walang jurisdiction over the person.
He also noted that the AFP has no law enforcement powers like the PNP-AIDG and PDEA.
Yung enforcement ng law ay nawala sa AFP dahil the powers and the functions of the Philippine Constabulary and the Integrated National Police was transferred to the PNP. So under the law, ang dapat mag-return is PNP, NBI or PDEA.
After all, Rigor noted the Chinese national Yan Yishu did the right move when he surrendered yesterday at the National Bureau of Investigation, which has a law enforcement function. It can be recalled that AFP Chief of Staff General Eduardo Año alias Perseus was one of those who talked to Marcelino via phone call. Marcelino was arrested on January 21 at the Celadon Residences in Santa Cruz, Manila, which served as a shabu laboratory. Confiscated was more than 380 million worth of shabu. Lea Ylagan, UNTV News and Rescue Camp Krame.